Hello my dear students, good morning. Today let us learn 10th class mathematics new syllabus. 10th class mathematics new syllabus, second chapter polynomials 2.2. In the 2.2, in the first question, third bit let us learn today. Yes, what is the question? Find the zeros of the following quadratic polynomials and verify the relationship between zeros and the coefficients. What we have to do? Yes, my dear students, I can speak, I can teach very slowly. You have to understand perfectly, as you can understand perfectly. Because even though you are not able to speak English fluently, then also you can understand. In such a way I am teaching you so as to understand very perfectly. Yes, you see, if you see, you can observe. Yes, let us see. 6x square minus 3 minus 7x. It is there. What is 6x square minus 3 minus 7x? Polynomial is there. But it is not of the standard form. Of the x square, we have to write x term, and this constant term we have to take to the last. Yes, in such a way let us write 6x square minus 7x minus 3. Like that, let us write. We did not change anything. But in the standard form we wrote here. Yes, 6x square minus 7x minus 3. What we have to find out? We have to find out the zeros first. After finding out the zeros, we have to check the relationship between coefficients and the zeros. Relations we have to check. That is later. First, we have to find out the zeros. Yes. For the quadratic polynomial, how many zeros are there? Suppose 6x square minus 7x 3. It is the quadratic polynomial. How many zeros are there? Whether it is quadratic polynomial or not, how do we know? Yes, in this quadratic polynomial, highest exponent is 2. When highest exponent is 2, that is the quadratic polynomial. If highest degree is 1, that is linear polynomial. If highest degree is 4, the 3, that is cubic polynomial. Like that we divide. Yes, it is quadratic polynomial because highest degree is 2. Yes, for this quadratic polynomial, we have to find the zeros. There is some pattern. As per the pattern, let us find. What is this pattern? First term, that means x square term, and last term you have to multiply. You see, 6x square into minus 3. Yes, let us multiply. Minus into plus, minus 3 into 6x square, 18x square. We got 18x square when we multiply. Now what we have to do? We have to separate into the factors. We have to divide. We have to separate this as a factors. How do we separate those factors? When we multiply, we have to get 18x square. When we add, we have to get the middle term. What is the middle term? 7x. Yes, let us see. 1x into 18x. 1 into 18, 18x into x square. Alright. Not. When we add 18 plus 1, 19. When we subtract, let us make it minus plus 17. When we make it minus 17, we get. But we have to get 7x. Next, let us 2x into 9x. Next factors are these. 2 into 9, 18, x into x square. Let us add it. 2 plus 9, 11. But 7x square is there. Let us do minus 2 into 9. Yes, 7x. But here minus x will be. So minus to this 9x. Yes, 9x is big. That minus will be remained, isn't it? Yes, 2x minus 9x, 2x plus 9x. Let us see, minus 2x minus into plus into minus 9x. Remained. What is remained? What is big value? That remained minus 7x. Minus 7x. Yes, these two factors are so suitable for this. We split the middle term. To split the middle term, these two factors are suitable, isn't it? Let us write here. Yes, 6x square. Yes, let us write these two. In place of these two, sufficient, because when we do it, same we get 7x, isn't it? There is no change. There is no change at all. Just it is 6. We have written 3 plus 3. In place of 6, we have written 3 plus 3. What is the change? No change here. Like here also, no change. Let us write 2x. What is plus 2x minus 9x minus 3 is equal to 0. Yes, as we did, so we have written here. That means, so we split the middle term. We split it these 18x square as two factors. In such a way, we add in order to get middle term 7x. Isn't it? All right. Now let us group it into two groups. Yes, one group as one group. Let us group it into 6x square plus 2x, one group. And minus 9x minus 3 is one group, is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. Yes. Yes, we can bring out, we can take out some common ones here. In this common ones, what is there? 2x let us bring out 2x. What here will be 3x. 2 into 3, 6, x into x square, 3x we brought out. 3x we brought out. Here plus symbol is there, plus symbol. Next 2x brought out. And what will be 2x? What is 2x means? 2x into 1 is equal to 2x is equal to. So 1 will be remained here. When we bring out 2x, what 1 will be? When will we bring out 2x? Only 1 will be. 2x is equal to 2x. No change at all. Yes. Here what did we do? What do we do? We have to see, we have to separate it so as to we get 3x plus 1 in this bracket also. In such a way, we have to bring out the numbers. Yes, plus 3x. Here, what do we bring? Yes, minus 3x let us bring. Minus 3x let us bring. Not minus 3x here. Minus 3 let us bring out. Isn't it? Minus 3 let us bring out. Yes, what will be here? Minus into minus. What is 3 into 3? Yes, minus here plus will be yes. Minus into what is minus into plus, minus will be minus into plus, minus will be 3 into what? 3 into what? 9. 3 into 3, 9 x 3 into 3, 9x, 9 the x 9x minus into plus, minus 9x. Isn't it? There is no change at all. Correctly we brought out. Minus 3 brought out. Why do minus 3 brought out? Here plus symbol must be. Here plus symbol must be. So minus into plus, minus, correct or not? Yes, 3 into 3, 9, correct or not? Yes, 3 into 3. No, here nothing is there. X we have written here. Yes. Next, here plus symbol must be. Minus into plus, minus. Minus into plus, minus. Here what is there? 3 already brought out. 3 already brought out. Only 1 will be here. That means 1 minus 3, 1 minus 1, 3, 3 plus into minus. Correctly we brought out? Yes. Is equal to 0. Next what we have to do? Here these two, let us one group 2x minus 3, one group that is equal to 0. Yes, in these two groups same. These two groups are same. So one let us take 1. 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now see 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Now 2x is equal to 0 minus 3 when we take out the other side of is equal to plus 3 will be. That means plus 3. That means 3. 2x is equal to 3. Therefore, x is equal to what is 3 by 2. Why by 2? Here right. That is right here. Yes, let us write here. 2x it is 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Another one is 3x plus 1. 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. Let us find out. 2x is equal to when minus 3 goes to the other side of the is equal to plus 3 will be. Now x value we have to find out. 3 and 2 when it comes the other side of the is equal to, it becomes because 2x means 2 into x. Here into symbol is there, here divided by symbol. X is equal to 3 by 2. It is 1 0. Here 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. Yes, 3x is equal to plus 1 when comes to the other side of the is equal to minus 1. It is minus 1. Next 3x is equal to minus 1. X is equal to minus 1 by 3 because 3 into x. Here multiplication symbol is there. When it comes to the other side of the is equal to by is there. Minus 3. It is minus 3. X is equal to minus 1 minus 1 by 3. Here x is equal to 3 by 2. 2 are the zeros of this polynomial. 2 are the zeros of this polynomial. What is it meant by these two values? When we substitute these variables, we can get the 0. When substitute 3 by 2 in the place of x, we get the 0. When we substitute minus 1 by 3 in these x places, we get the 0 of the polynomial. 0, we can get the 0. So, we call them 0 of the polynomial. Now, let us see the relation. Relation between between coefficients. Between what we asked, relations between zeros and coefficients. Relation here from relation between between zeros and coefficients. He asked that. Now let us see the relation between zeros and coefficients. When we add the zeros, when we do the coefficients as per the formula given in the textbooks also, these two are equal or not, he asked us to check up. Isn't it? Yes, let us check up relation. When we add, and what is two zeros? These are the two zeros. 3 by 2 plus minus 1 by 3. These we have to add. See, 3 by 2 plus into, that's not. This is Plus into minus, minus 1 by 3. Plus into minus 1 by 3. These two we have to add. When we want to add the fractions, we have to find the LCM. When we add the fractions or when we subtract the fractions, we have to find the LCM. Isn't it? Yes. Let us find the LCM for the 2 and 3. In the 2 and 3, common, any table is there, any fact is there, no factor, no table, no number goes in these two numbers. So because these two are the prime numbers, so we have to multiply. 2 3s are 6. 6 is the LCM. Let us see 2 how many times in the 6? 3 times. Yes, with 3 we have to multiply the numerator. 3 into 3, 9, minus 3 how many times goes in the LCM? 2 times. With 2 we have to multiply the numerator. 2 1 is 2. That is equal to 9 minus 2 what is? 7 by 6 is the one. Is when we add we got 7 by 6. Here let us see. When we add, what is the formula? Yes, minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. That is the formula. In the addition of the zeros. Yes, let us see. Minus coefficient of the x. So let us see. It is the x term. Minus let us write coefficient of the x. What is? Minus 7. Yes, minus 7. You see, this is in the formula, but it is in the polynomial. Minus 7 is the coefficient by coefficient of the x square. X square coefficient is what? 6. Yes, 6 let us write. Now let us do minus into minus plus 7 by 6. 7 by 6 here also 7 by 6. When we add these two zeros and as per the coefficients equal. When we multiply, let us see. When we multiply, here let us write here. When we multiply. Yes, multiply. M-U-L-T-I, multiply. P-L-Y. When we multiply these two, let us see. Yes, what are the two zeros? 3 by 2, 1 into minus 1 by 3. When we multiply, what is the answer? Yes, 3 into minus 1. Minus 1 into plus 1. Minus 1, 3 by 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. That means minus 3 by 6 is the answer. When we multiply these two zeros, we get this answer. Yes, as per the coefficients formula, let us see. When we multiply, what is the formula? Constant term by what is coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square. Let us see. Constant term what is? Constant term is what is here in this polynomial? Minus 3. Minus 3 by coefficient of x square is 6. That is 6. Yes, minus 3 by 6. Here minus 3 by 6. Same answer. Minus 3 by 6. Minus 3 by 6. We can simplify it. 3 how many times goes in this? 1 minus, you see, minus 3 by 6 is equal to minus 1 by 3. Like that also we can write 1 by 2. It is 2. Why? Because 3 how many times goes in 6? 2 times. Yes, 1 minus 1 minus 2 here, right? Minus 1 by 2. Here also we can strike off minus 1 by 2 is the answer. Yes, what we did here, we found the zeros of the polynomial and relationship also. Just I explain even in Telugu also. Yes, what we did here మనకి ఇచ్చాడండి ఈ పోలినామియల్ ఇచ్చాడు. ఇక్కడ స్టాండర్డ్ ఫామ్ లో రాసుకున్నాం. ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ పక్కన ఎక్స్ ఉండాలి కాబట్టి మనం ఎక్స్ రాసేసి చివర కాన్స్టెంట్ టర్మ్ తీసుకొచ్చాం. ఇక్కడ మనం ఏం చేసామంటే దీనికి polynomial, zeros of the polynomial. Zeros of the polynomial ఏంటంటే first x square term and last constant term we have to multiply అయితే 18 square వచ్చింది. దాన్ని డివైడ్ చేయాలి. In such a way we have to divide as we get when we multiply 18x square we get when we add middle term of this x middle term. It is the middle term we have to get. అది మల్టిప్లై చేసినప్పుడు 18x స్క్వేర్ రావాలి. యాడ్ చేసినప్పుడు మనకు 7x రావాలి, మిడిల్ టర్మ్ రావాలి. అట్లా మనం చేసుకోవడం చూపెట్టాం. ఇప్పుడు చెప్పేసాను కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ 6x స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 2x మైనస్ 9x మైనస్ 3 రాసాము ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ 0. ఇక్కడ 2 టర్మ్స్ ఒక గ్రూప్ 2 టర్మ్స్ ఒక గ్రూప్ చేసాము ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ 0. ఇందులో 2x బయట తీసుకొచ్చాము 3x ప్లస్ 1. ఇక్కడ మైనస్ 3 బయట తీసుకొచ్చాము 3x ప్లస్ 1 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ 0. ఈ 2x మైనస్ 3 ఇక్కడ అదే విధంగా ఇందులో ఒకటి తీసుకొచ్చాము 3x ప్లస్ 1 ఒకటి తీసుకొచ్చాము. ఎస్ 2x మైనస్ 3 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ 0. ఏది 2x ఇక్కడ రాసాను కదా 2x మైనస్ 3 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ 0. 3x ప్లస్ 1 అంటే ఈ రెండింటిలో ఒకటి తీసుకొచ్చాం కదా 0. అప్పుడు 2x మైనస్ 3 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ 0. 2x ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు మైనస్ 3 అవతల పోతుంది ప్లస్ 3. ఎస్ x ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 3. ఇక్కడ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ సింబల్ ఉంది కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ డివిజన్ సింబల్ బై 2. is the same way 3x plus 1 అంటే x is equal to minus 1 by 3. It is the zeros we found. Here we relationship between zeros and coefficients. Coefficient formula when we add. Here we add 7 by 6 we got. When we written formula for the addition we got 7 by 6. In both way correct. Here multiplication. When we multiply the two zeros we got minus 3 by 6 minus 3 by 6 when we simplified minus 1 by 2. Here formula written constant term by coefficient of x square. Here also we written minus 3 by 6 when we simplified it is equal to minus 1 by 2. థ్యాంక్ యూ. ఇప్పుడు నేను ఇంతకాలం నుండి దశాబ్దాల నుండి వర్క్ చేసేసి రిటైర్ అయిన తర్వాత మీకు చెప్పాలని వచ్చాను కదా, నాకు తెలిసిందంతా మీకు ఇవ్వాలని. మరి అప్పుడు నేను నన్ను ఎంకరేజ్ చేయాలంటే మీరు ఏం చేయాలి? లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.